मतलब ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि विनय पाठक जी चर्चा में रहे नहीं, हमारे यादों में रहे नहीं। इतनी सारी आपने मूवीज दी हैं।
First of all, thank you for calling me legendary and giving me so much respect. Uh, it's debatable if I deserve it or no.
I would want to understand if this film, because I have seen the trailer, it looks a bit adult to me. How exactly is this film going to cater to that audience which has a very orthodox learnings and
for a certain section of audience which is between 18 to 45? That was our first target, so we were very clear that what are we really targeting with this film.
I could see that your character is a bit stuck in a limbo. You are romancing with Dalia Basu, at the same time you are supporting Vinay Pathak Sarji's character at the same time for kidnapping her. So what kind of role are you playing and what intrigued you?
This I don't want to reveal my character much, but ये फिल्म में जो आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेलर में, ये इतना ही नहीं है।
लगता यही है कि ट्रेलर तो हमने देख लिया पर पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। Why should one be heading towards the theater to watch this film? Why did you pick up this story to play a part in it?
I said I can't speak on behalf of why people go to watch a particular film in a movie theater, but I know my reason for doing this film. The story is the main character of the film. It's the story that drew me.
So hi everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Spill the Beans on CNN News 18 with me, Sakshi Singh Litoria. If you guys have watched the trailer of Alia Basu Gayab Hai, I've got the lovely star cast here. I've got the director Preeti Singh, Salim Diwan, as well as the legendary Vinay Pathak ji joining us for this chat here on CNN News 18. Thank you so much everyone for speaking to us.
Yeah,
Thank you for calling me legendary. I'm still alive.
पर हमेशा हमेशा मतलब कहीं मतलब ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि विनय पाठक जी चर्चा में रहे नहीं, हमारे यादों में रहे नहीं। इतनी सारी आपने मूवीज दी हैं। सर आपसे ही स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि throughout your filmography, we have seen you playing different kind of roles. So many movies you have given us, but one prominence of the type of character that you play is your comedy timing and the comedic character that you have played. That has stayed behind with us in our memories. This time around, can we say that this is a bid for you to have taken a risk to, sort of play the antagonistic role also?
No, I mean, even when my comic films were, well, first of all, thank you for calling me legendary and giving me so much respect. It's debatable if I deserve it or no. Secondly, to label me, with a comic timing actor or comic actor is nothing new. One has lived with it ever since Vijay Fry came into foray. Many people forget that right after Vijay Fry I did the Vidanya, but it's not considered a comic caper. If I did Chalo Dilli, I also did Johnny Gaddar. So it's not that suddenly I am doing different kind of roles. Yeah. I always have, I always will. It's not the nature or the comedic nature or the dramatic nature of a character that draws me. It's the story that draws me, and the story is the one that decides for me if I should be a part of this or not.
Definitely. Let's talk a little bit to the director as well. Preeti, I just wanted to understand the perspective of the entire film as an Indian audience, as a representative of that particular group. I would want to understand if this film, because I have seen the trailer, it looks a bit adult to me. How exactly is this film going to cater to that audience which has a very orthodox learnings and orthodox way of living and thinking also?
Thank you for the question. First, actually, when we were developing the project, we thought it is, as you mentioned, we thought it is for a certain section of audience, which is between 18 to 45. That was our first target. So we were very clear that what are we really targeting with this film, right? For everybody, there is something. So we can't, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo might not work for a 18-year-old girl or a boy today. So we are very clear that what kind of audience we are targeting with this film. But coming back to the question, will it appeal to somebody who is not traditionally viewing these kind of content? It can, because after watching the movie, it will give you a certain thrill which will entertain you thoroughly. And when it comes to something which is sexual in terms of content, we do not really we are not revealing it intentionally in a way that it will offend somebody, or we are trying to sell our tickets on that. We are not trying to sell our tickets on sex. We are trying to sell our tickets on the content of the movie. So I think that is something which will appeal the other side of the audience, which you're calling orthodox. So I don't want to use that word, but yeah, I mean, if that's something which we are calling, so yeah, it will appeal to them.
All right, Salim, let's talk about your character. What I have collected so far, just merely with the trailer, I could see that your character is a bit stuck in a limbo. You are romancing with Alia Basu, at the same time you are supporting Vinay Pathak Sirji's character at the same time for kidnapping her. So what kind of role are you playing, and what intrigued you regarding this particular character that you will be playing in this movie?
Yeah, thank you so much, Sakshi, for this question. Actually, this I don't want to reveal my character much, but ये फिल्म में जो आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेलर में, ये इतना ही नहीं है. Like मैं कुछ कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा था कल, तो उसमें कमेंट YouTube कमेंट्स आते हैं, उसमें किसी ने कहा कि यार ये क्या फिल्म है, कि लाइक दो दोस्त है, दोनों ने किसी लड़की को किडनैप किया और इनसे मांग रहे हैं, ये तो वही कहानी होगी. बट कहानी ये नहीं है, कहानी कुछ डिफरेंट है. अगर कहानी इतनी सी होती तो विनय सर के पास, मैं विनय सर को बोलूँ, उनके पास कोई रीजन नहीं था फिल्म करने का. ये कहानी बहुत डिफरेंट है जो आप ट्रेलर में देख रहे हो, और वो हमारी कुछ मजबूरियां रही हैं फिल्म मेकर्स की कि शायद वो इसको रिवील नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि ट्रेलर में सब कुछ ओपन नहीं कर सकते ना. सो माय कैरेक्टर इज डिफरेंट एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर है. एट द सेम टाइम ही इज डूइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स इन हिज लाइफ, एंड उसके कुछ प्लान्स है, उसके कुछ टारगेट है लाइफ में, उसके कुछ सर्टेन थिंग्स है जो उसे करनी है, जो उसे अचीव करनी है. सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस कैरेक्टर में जिसकी जो इन पूरी कहानी में घूम रहा है, वो लेफ्ट राइट. सो या
इंटरेस्टिंग. तो लगता यही है कि ट्रेलर तो हमने देख लिया, पर पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. विनय जी, माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट व्हाट इंट्रिग्ड यू टुवर्ड्स द स्क्रिप्ट, बिकॉज आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि देयर इज abundant of content and people can watch it very easily, be it on the OTT, be it in the theaters. People have so many options to explore nowadays. Why should one be heading towards the theater to watch this film? Why did you pick up this story to play a part in it?
I said I can't speak on behalf of why people go to watch a particular film in a movie theater. But I know my reason for doing this film. The story is the main character of the film. It's the story that drew me to this particular film. The script. I'd read the script before I said yes to doing this film, and the story is very intriguing. And I don't believe in censorship. I don't. Of course, it's there for a reason. I understand that. I also have children. I have 2 daughters. But I think that, it's your decision what to watch and what not to watch. You can't be forced, or you can't be coaxed into it. Yeah, you can be lured into it. With like what we're doing right now. We are trying to lure you, Sakshi, that you please come and watch our film. And if it's successful, you will come and see it, and you like it or you don't like it. It's your choice. So I believe in choices. Choices should be strong. I cannot claim that I'm making such and such decision which would influence the choice on your part to take a certain step. It's completely your choice. It's completely your prerogative to do whatever is it that you want to do. You're an adult. Yes, we can ensure that it's an adult film, which we have with our censorship. It's UA. It's not a general audience film. So yes, so it's out there, and it's for anybody and everybody to come and see it.
But Vinay sir, just wanted to quickly understand from you, because you have been in this business for so many years, you have given us so many good and hit projects. But what about the changes throughout the years over the viewership also? Do you think people with time have started focusing on different elements, just apart from, you know, having something, be it a dance number, be it music in the movie? Now that kind of movie sort of doesn't every time work on silver screen, but people have started changing their perceptions about what they exactly should be watching on screen. What do you think is the major change that you have noticed?
Excuse me, you tell me, Sakshi, can you put a finger down to why a film is successful? If it has to be figured out, and if anyone had figured it out, then they would never make a film that doesn't work, no?
Right.
How many filmmakers are there that you can count that, oh, उनकी तो पिक्चर कभी फ्लॉप ही नहीं हुई है, आज हैं एक, ठीक है ना, जो 3 साल में 4 साल में एक फिल्म बनाते हैं, तो आपको उनकी सेंसिबिलिटी को सलाम करना चाहिए कि वो वही फिल्म बनाते हैं जो उनको बनाना है, वो फिल्म बनाने के लिए नहीं बनाते. Having said that, even the greatest of the filmmakers have experienced flops. Their films haven't run. So you think it's so easy to figure out the pulse of the masses. That अरे यार ये पिक्चर इतनी कैसे चल गई और ये इतनी खूबसूरत पिक्चर चली नहीं. I mean, people think that you can decide, and as I said earlier, that you can shove it. You can't shove down the throat, you know, of our audiences anything that they don't want. And और उनका भी चॉइस कब क्या है वो आप डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते. हम ये अनुमान लगा रहे हैं. हम भी we are all in the business of speculation that this is a trend these days. You know, there was a trend about item numbers, you know, at one point there was a trend about, you know, maar dhar wali, there's a trend about costume dramas, there's a trend about, you know, B-town films they call it, कि वो छोटे शहरों की कहानी. So trends come and go. A good film is a good film is a good film. And a film, yeah, it's as simple as that. And if you really have to find an answer to that, I guess you do your own research, because, you know, we're more than 100 years old, this film industry. We have enough example of every kind for you to, you know, draw a conclusion and you know, draw your own conclusion. You're asking the wrong person, because I'm not known for you know, for someone who's always associated with commercial success. I'm not, on the contrary, and I'm not ashamed of it. And I would still make the same choices that I have over the years, and will continue to do so in the future as well. I don't know, maybe I don't have the face, you know, for 100 crore film, and I don't want to change my face right
you
now.
Never
not
know,
that I love my
you never know.
It's just that this is what you get. This is what I have come with, and this is what you get. But jokes apart, yeah, I mean, there's only enough you can claim to influence vis-a-vis cinema. Rest, let people decide.
Definitely. Lovely. Last but not the least, Salim, my question to you would be, what is your expectations from the viewership and from the movie? Why would you tell us to come out and watch the movie?
Yeah, I'm expecting much, and जैसा कि सर ने बोला कि depends on audience कि वो क्या मूवी को देख के रिव्यू करते हैं, तो फिल्म कैसी लगती है. There is no certain formula कि ये फिल्म हिट होगी, ये फिल्म चलेगी, ये फिल्म नहीं चलेगी. बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करेगी. और ये फिल्म मेरी फिल्म है, मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म, लेकिन मैंने आज तक ऐसी थ्रिलर, ऐसे ट्विस्ट, ऐसे टर्न्स आज तक मैंने कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी. मैं बहुत फिल्में देखता हूँ, बट ये फिल्म डिफरेंट है सबसे.
ओके, आपने तो और एक्साइटेड कर दिया हमको. We should definitely go out and watch the film, and we are waiting for it as well. All the very best to all of you for the film. Hope to see you very soon, next time, maybe in person, whenever you come to Delhi in our studios, All the very best. Thank you so much for having this quick chat on CNN News 18. Thank you so much.